Hey creatives! Welcome back to my channel. This is Sammy Says Create, and this is a channel where I do all sorts of DIY and creative projects and I bring you along for the ride. So today's video is going to be a little bit different, a little bit more stressful for me, but hopefully all in good fun. Today I am going to set myself a timed craft challenge. Dum dum dum! Intrigued? Yeah, me too. Let's roll those titles. So yeah, today I'm going to be setting myself a timed craft challenge. So the concept of this is something that's going to be found on Pinterest. I am then going to give myself 30 minutes to try and recreate that craft idea with just what I've got. I pretty much have the contents of my entire craft cupboard all down here. I am going to get my wonderful mum to have a flick through Pinterest. She hasn't been pre-warned, so she doesn't have a clue what's going on. She doesn't know what it's for or anything like that. I'm going to get her to have a flick through Pinterest, through some crafty ideas, and I'm going to get her just to choose her favourite one. And yeah, I am then going to attempt to recreate that. For all I know, she's probably going to go and choose something that I really don't have any of the materials for here. So she might choose clay pottery work or something, and I have no clay. So I'm not quite sure what I'd do in that situation, but I'm just going to have to roll with it and see what happens. I don't think 30 minutes is a massively long time, but then I don't know, it's not a challenge if I give myself ages, is it? So yeah, but most importantly, we're just going to try and have fun with it. So I'm going to go to my Pinterest page and I am just going to type in craft ideas. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Ah! Oh my god, please don't pick something hard. Oh my god, please. Come here. It's nothing scary, I promise. Oh.
I'm not in the shade. I'm not in the light.
No, you're not in my shade. Basically, I am doing a reviewing Pinterest video. You've heard of Pinterest, haven't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So basically what I want you to do is I want you to scroll through Pinterest. I want you to scroll, I can't even speak. Scroll through Pinterest. And I've got it set up already. I just want you to let me know what your favourite kind of crafty thing is that you can see. So literally just keep scrolling. I'm not going to, got no like time limit. I just want you to scroll until something kind of jumps out at you. So, but I'm just like reviewing what other people do on Pinterest and stuff like that. And I just thought, what a nice thing to do is just to ask for my mum's opinion. See what she likes on Pinterest. I wish you could see her face right now. It's hilarious.
Like that. There's too much to choose from.
There's too much to choose from.
No, I like them. So I just click on it.
Just click on it and make sure it's your final decision.
That's my final decision.
Final decision?
Final, yeah.
Okay, show me your final decision. Oh my god, are you serious?
It's nice though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. Not possible to make when you don't have resin. Okay, so she insisted on having two choices because, you know, she can't just be simple. So I was, what the hey, let's go for two choices. The second thing she chose is this. So these cute little cactuses, which is made out of a rock or a stone. So this is what she's chosen. This is what I'm going to go with. I am going to try and recreate both of these Pinterest items in 30 minutes. Okay, so I've really quickly just cleared off my space. I am going to include my material gathering time in this 30 minutes. So I'm just making it even harder for myself. So I'm going to just pop onto my alarm. Okay Google, okay Google, okay Google. No Google? Not okay Google. Let's actually just go to my clock. Okay, so I am setting my timer for 30 minutes. Ready, steady, craft. Oh, I need a rock, I need a rock. Oh no, we've got pebbles out the back. Oh, hang on. I don't know if this has even got any of my face in it whatsoever, or... I need a rock. I need a rock. Oh my gosh, see, there's actually a Pikachu rock there already. A rock. There's actually some decent sized rocks out here, you know. They're not like cactus shapes, but that one maybe. It's kind of long and thin. Green paint I've got in there, white paint I've got in there. I've got a paintbrush. Okay, my thinking. Glue gun. Don't have resin, but I do have a glue gun. Dandelion. Oh my god, there's an actual dandelion. Okay, so I'm currently on 22 minutes 24 seconds. I have got some red paper, some shiny paper, just for the, oh no, my dandelions! Just for the plant pot for my cactus. I've found myself a rock, got some paints and glue gun. I don't know where to start first. 1 minute. God, they're quite big that though, aren't they? Oh, I don't know which one to use. I need some googly eyes, I don't have googly eyes. Okay, so I need my... Okay. Come on, heat up quicker! I need you to heat up. You are the... Oh, hang on, I can paint the cactus. Painting the cactus. Oh. 19 minutes. I think the more you look at the time, the more it stresses you out. Oh no, my dandelions! I don't think I have any googly eyes. I'm gonna have to draw him some eyes on. Oh god, how am I gonna get it in the plastic, in the paper plant pot? The plant pot's not gonna be. Cactus has a cactusy looking face. Oh, we're heating up. We are sufficiently heating up. Oh, whoops. No! Ah! Hot. Why didn't I think of just doing that first? 16 minutes. See that? 12 minutes to go. Oh god, what am I going to do? I don't know. Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Ah! Ha ha ha! How? Ah! 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 Oh! Wow! You were hot! Whoops! That didn't work. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh no! Oh no! Idea is gone. That's like, oh, that's gonna blister that. Just gonna keep. But I'm not gonna be able to get it out. How am I gonna get it out? Ah, why did I just do that? Oh gosh. Ow. Panic mode, right? Panic mode. Why does she have to choose stupid things? Right, let's just try. Oh, wow, that hurts, guys. 10 minutes and 49 seconds to go. Come on. Glue faster. Why are you being so slow? Oh, my hands are so shaky. 8 minutes. Oh, sugar. Stop touching it. This looks such a mess. Oh my goodness. 7 minutes 24. I'm running out of glue. Give me another glue stick. Oh no. It's all gone. Oh god, I'm literally gonna have like 2 minutes to do my cactus at this point. So I'm literally just filling these. This is a paint palette. I'm filling it with hot glue gun, and I put one of the dandelion bits in the middle, and I was kind of hoping that when it sets it'll come out kind of spherical. Oh, okay, right, you just sit and dry for a minute. Just saying, I'm doing this injured. I've got a blister on my finger. Okay, cactus friend. I'm on 5 minutes 25. Oh, he's got a bit of wonky eyes. Oh well. 4 minutes 6. Not googly eyes, but they're eyes. Should I give them some eyebrows? Oh no, I don't know. No, I'm not gonna give them eyebrows. Oh, I just ruined his eyes. I'm gonna trim my plant pot down. 3 minutes. Oh my god, 2 minutes. Oh, I'm not gonna get this done, guys. Oh my god, I'm not gonna get it done. God, that definitely doesn't look like a plant pot. It's not even the right shape. It looks like a chimney. Oh my god, okay. We can do this. Oh, why have I stuck them? Oh no. 9, 48. Oh my gosh, get out, get out, get out. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. This is so bad. 20, 19, 16, 15. Oh no, 12, 10. One, stop! Oh my god, that is so bad! I am embarrassed. There is my resin dandelion and my cactus plant pot. I can't even film this without laughing. So I've got Mum back and she's going to judge them. I spent 10 minutes trying to find the materials. So for 20 minutes and a burnt finger, I don't think it's too bad. Can you remember what you picked? Can you remember what the 2 items were that you picked?
Pebbles.
Yeah, what was it?
Cactus.
Yeah, cactus. And can you remember the other thing?
Oh, the daffodil. The daffodil in a globe.
It wasn't a daffodil for starters.
Dandelion. Dandelion.
Close your eyes.
I don't need to close and just do the big reveal. Come on, big reveal.
I can't do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
I don't know what to say.
What cactus?
It's not quite what I was expecting.
And a dandelion globe. I don't think that's that bad.
It's not that bad.
Not that bad,
Not
see?
that bad.
Good judgment. What
Yeah.
would you give me out of 10 for these?
Maybe 4.
4? Is that it?
Yeah.
4? I think the cactus at least deserves a 6.
No, I'll tell you what.
The people on that picture did not make that plant pot. They clearly had probably bought that plant pot. I made that plant pot that looks like a chimney from scratch.
Maybe a bit harsh. Maybe 5.5.
5.5.
Yeah, 5.5.
Fabulous.
5.5, yeah.
Thank you very much. Round of applause. So there you have it, guys. I was given a nice 5.5 out of 10. Feel free, if you want to give yourself a challenge at home, you are more than welcome to do that. Do the same thing, get someone to pick something on Pinterest and give yourself 30 minutes to try and recreate that with what you've got. Please do not take this as a judging of my crafting and creative ability. I clearly do not work too great under pressure. I really hope you've enjoyed watching today's video. It's been really fun to film. If you have liked this video, please do hit that subscribe button, hit the like button and the notification bell, and that way you will be notified every time I upload a new video. You do not want to be missing more of this. If you want to keep up to date with me during the week, then feel free to follow my Instagram. So until next Thursday, keep creative. Bye.